afternoon. I'm going to be really quick. I am in Hathersage. It is chucking down with rain. I'm here to meet Juliet, Elliott. We're going to go for a ride, but it's so wet, so I think it's just going to be a GoPro type video. There's nowhere to park either. I'm like, where do I park? So I'm trying to figure out where to go. Juliet's already outside waiting in the rain, so I've got to go. I'll see you on the road. We just had our picture taken. It wasn't in the spot that was most insta glam, so we're going back up to film. So we're Juliet. Hi. On the go, but it has stopped raining and it's so hot. How hot is it?
Well, it's not that bad.
I've had to take base layer off, my hat off.
She's riding up in a
coming up
bra.
with like that. I was just dying because it was just so hot. They're just like, what's going on? So this is top of Mum Tour.
Oh, it is Mum Tour, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh,
so
right.
we thought it was Mum Nick. I was like, I'm sure this is Mum Tour, but yeah. So I don't know which one. I think Mum Nick is it that one?
I don't know.
Anyone let us know which bit Mum Nick is? But
That's Winnett's Pass.
yes, is that where we're going down?
I think, yeah. Shall we?
Yeah. And this is the time where I'm like, I wish I had my disc brake bike, but what can you do? So yeah, I think I might put the, so yeah, I might put the base layer back on.
I would. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We'll catch up with you in a little bit. Oh, and it's not even raining. We looked at the Met Office and it said it was going to like chuck it down. I wasn't going to come in. And Juliet was like, I'm still going to go out. So I was
I
like,
made her feel bad. And
so I was like, okay, I can't be a wimp. I need to come out. So, okay, we'll carry on. I'm so glad we have.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I've just got gloves on.
I've got ski gloves on. They're so thick, and she's in a bloody bra. Crazy woman.
It was hot coming up there though.
Yeah. You're not going to take your helmet off? No. Oh, all right.
I can't get it.
Right. Don't mind us.
Hi. Just a cold doing
I
that.
know, I know. What's she doing?
I love that. I've already done it maybe twice.
I was wondering how you're getting on with your windbreak.
Oh really?
Yeah. I want to get hurt. You guys are just one of those people on the internet.
No, come on this way. Do you understand that? As you can see. So I've come to the end of the ride and I'm still really hot. Like we're heading up another climb. And I'm sweating, like, I'm so sweaty. I can't even tell you how sweaty it is, and it's so warm. But maybe we'll do another video.
Yeah.
Another time when it's not raining.
It's not quite wet.
And it's a little bit dry.
It's still really nice though.
It is proper nice.
Yeah, we'll continue this another time.
Definitely. Potentially, have you said that you might be moving back up?
Yeah, well I looked at a house down the road yesterday, but
Then she would be near me.
it would be nice.
Then we can ride bikes some more.
Internet friends become real friends.
Right, we'll see you next video. Thank you for showing me around.
Nice, welcome.
Right, I will leave a link to Juliet's channel if you don't already follow her, but yeah, I'll leave a link to that and then see you next video. Bye! So I'm in the car now, ready to drive back. Went in for a quick cuppa and met Juliet's parents and her adorable, like the cutest little girl you've ever met, just adorable. And I guess because it's like the first time I've actually properly met Juliet, like we've spoken a little bit, I guess it's just hard, like you just don't know whether people are going to want a camera shoved in their face, right? And obviously she's a YouTuber, like, you know, she does the same thing. But, and you don't know what people are going to be like compared to what they're like online. And actually Juliet is exactly the same, just a really nice, down-to-earth, like, rider, just a really nice person. So, yeah, we've been chatting, so we'll hopefully be doing some more stuff together in the future. So yeah, let us know if there's anything that you would like riding wise to see us both do. We've had a couple of little ideas of things that we could do, but yeah, I reckon that is it for this video. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Actually, the weather, we're talking about the weather, always talking about the weather, bloody lovely actually. What, oh yeah, that's all right. Weather was actually really nice. It was a bit damp, but really beautiful. Beautiful countryside. So yeah. Anyway, I'm stop rambling and I'll see you at next video. So yeah, sorry, that's why it's a little bit short and there's not as much stuff that I would normally have filmed in a day. But yes, there will be more next time around. Okay, see you later. Bye. Farewell. Auf Wiedersehen. Au revoir.